Powertti was founded in 2017. Powertti factory is located in DongGuan City, China. It is a factory with design, production and sales. The professional R&D team constantly designs better electric bikes. The best sales team let more customers know about our factory, carry out contact with customers, and provide them with the most professional ordering advice. High quality frame, multi-process processing, focus on every detail, provide the best frame for every customer. Professional production team, commitment to quality first. The clean and tidy production workshop and professional production team ensure the smooth progress of each process, which greatly improves the company's production capacity, and can produce 3,360 units per month. The rich product line covers many series. Every employee has skilled technology, and every part is assembled perfectly and efficiently. Our belief is to create an environmentally friendly lifestyle to make your life better. Advocate to green travel and focus on short and medium distance transportation products. Pursuit of fashion, portability and security. Welcome to discuss long-term cooperative relationship. It's never too late for a good cooperation.